Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power and hardware so the keyboard pairs and docks reliably. Make sure your Surface Pro 3 is on and charged to at least 20%. Low power can block peripheral initialization. Visually inspect the type cover edge. Clean any dust from the magnetic strip and connector pins with a dry microfiber or compressed air. Once done, remove any bulky screen protector or case that prevents magnets from aligning, because a proper physical connection is required before the device. Now attach the type cover by holding it near the lower edge until the magnets pull it in. You should feel and hear a soft snap. Once connected, the Surface usually shows a brief keyboard icon or responds to keystrokes. Try typing to confirm. If nothing happens, detach and reattach the cover twice to reseat the connector. Then open Device Manager to confirm the keyboard appears under Keyboards. Make sure your system isn't in tablet mode, because that can disable the physical keyboard input. Finish by restarting the Surface Pro 3 with the type cover attached so drivers initialize correctly at boot. After restart, go to Settings, choose Update and Security, and install any pending Windows or Surface firmware updates to resolve intermittent issues. Make sure the cover sits flush and that keys register across rows. Test function keys and trackpad. If the keyboard still fails, clean the connector pads again and, if possible, test with a known working type cover to isolate whether the cover or tablet needs repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.